Tag-ulan ngayon at uso ang kennel cuff. So in this vlog, I will be sharing to you yung mga tips ko at ni Theo para hindi po magkaroon ng sipon or cold or cough ang inyong dog. So if you wanna know more, please keep on watching.
Mom!
Hi guys! Welcome again to another vlog. It's me, Mommy Nay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Say hi to my dog. See you, dog! If you're a new person here, I am Mommy Nay. I am a fur parent and I vlog about chow-chows or things or tips na mas mapapabuti ang lagay ng inyong pet dog. So yun, so marami sa inyo nag-view sa akin pero hindi pa nagsasubscribe. So mag-subscribe naman kayo, okay guys? Malapit na ang ating 100 vlogs. I'm very excited to announce something soon. So yun. If you're not subscribed, baka hindi nyo malaman ang latest. Okay guys? Bago tayo mag-start, comment of the week muna tayo. May jingle na yung comment of the week natin, guys. Okay, the comment of the week is from Cassidy De La Rosa. She says, Ma'am, pwede po ba ipainom ang NexGuard Spectra? Yun yung vlog na yun, guys. Pwede po bang ipainom ang NexGuard Spectra sa nagpapadede na dog? Thanks. So, nag-reply na ako dun sa comment na to, pero I'd like to raise this kasi some of you have pregnant chow-chows or you're planning na magkaroon ng babies ang inyong dogs. So, I've asked my trainer and highly hindi ito ini-encourage. Wala pa talaga study na pwede itong ipatake. Tip that I could give you is go directly to your vet. If your dog or your chow-chow is nursing, mas sensitive pa rin ang mga katawan nila. Syempre, kaka-give birth lang nila. Okay guys, so bago ko kayo bigyan ng tips sa mga anti-sipon at ubo sa inyong mga dogs, define muna natin what is kennel cough. Okay? So, kennel cough is a highly contagious respiratory disease. Although meron po siyang gamot, mahirap talaga yung pagdadaanan ng dog mo pag nagkaroon siya nito. Ano ba yung mga symptoms na meron kennel cough yung aso mo? So, number 1 is runny nose. Normal po sa dogs na merong basa yung kanilang nose, pero not to the point na parang water na lumalabas sa kanilang nose. Second is yung may honking nose, yung parang merong talagang parang ganyan. Paano ba ulit? Parang ganyan. Titignan ako ni Theo. May gagawa ito nanay ko. Basta parang ganun yung sound niya. Tapos sneezing. So, paulit-ulit na pagsis, parang meron siyang allergy. Tapos, number 4 is lethargy or nanghihina siya or hindi masyadong malikot. Hindi naman sila malikot in general, pero alam mo naman na. And then, number 5 is loss of appetite. And last but not least, magkakaroon ng low fever or medyo mainit yung katawan ng inyong dog. So, without further ado, these are the tips para maiwasan po talaga natin ang kennel cough. Number 1, so make sure that your dog is updated sa kanilang vaccination. So, nakalagay doon sa vaccination card ni Theo, ang ideal is 6 months to 12 months. So, yun yung interval. Okay, so, any time of the year, pwede naman talagang magkaroon ng kennel cough yung aso mo. So, since it's airborne, yun nga, usually, mas nabubuhay siya during taglamig daw. Which goes to my next tip, which is kapag tag-ulan at medyo mas malamig, limit your time outside. So, you have all the options to have activities indoor. Pwede mo pa rin siyang especially yung chow-chow natin, they need couple of minutes lang naman. Make sure that they exercise and alam mo yun, burns some of the fats. Okay, number 3 is give baths during the morning time. Sabi ko na to, yung ideal time ko, preferably na magpaligo ng aso, it's between 8 to 11 o'clock in the morning. May energy ka pa para, alam mo yung kargahin ng kanilang napakagaan na weight. Tapos, syempre, after mo mag-give bath, magpapatuyo ka pa. So, pag morning, parang you still have the entire day to make them dry. Number 4 is do not shave the coat of your dog. So, gets naman natin to, diba? Sinabi na natin for the 10,000th time, please do not shave a double-coated dog. At kahit pa hindi double-coated ang inyong dog, yun, never po talaga na super duper sagad, not unless merong skin condition yung inyong dog. So, again, yung fur po nila is the one that protects their skin. Okay, next is hydrate them with clean water. So, this goes especially to owners na meron kayong 2 to 3 and above na dog. Since it's airborne, pwedeng mapunta yan sa tubig na kanilang iniinom. So, make sure that you change it once in a while. Okay? So, it doesn't really matter pag tatanungin ko, kailangan ba malamig, kailangan mainit, yung katamtaman lang, guys. That's the perfect pa rin sa kanilang dog. And regardless, tubig pa rin yan. Wag lang yung super extreme init, super lamig. Okay? Okay, so number 6 is clean your bowls 2 times a day. So, when I say 2 times a day, literally yung meals, every meal binibigyan mo, please pakilinis po yung bowl ng water and as well as yung meal talaga niya. Okay, last but not the least is clean your house. So, guys, hindi porket pinapaliguan mo na siya ng morning, tapos vaccinated na siya, tapos lagi mo naman kiniklean yung mga food bowls, tapos di mo siya masyadong nilalabas. Ibig sabihin, hindi na siya pwedeng magkaroon ng kennel cough. Okay, so technically, pwedeng ikaw pa ang magdala sa kanya. So, paano ba yun? Usually, yung mga aso na may sakit na, tayo nakukuha sa shoes natin. So, technically, ilayo nyo yung shoes na maaabot ng mga dogs nyo. And, yun, as much as possible, gamit tayo ng house slippers. Huwag natin ilagay talaga yung nilalakad natin sa labas. I-walk natin sa bahay natin. Kanya-kanya naman tayong rules sa house, no? Pero, ideal yun talaga pag meron kang pets. There you have it, guys. Hopefully, may natutunan na naman kayo kay Mommy ni Yo Baba. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me at FunneiMomPH@gmail.com. Okay, excited na po siya kasi mag-walk na po kami. So, thank you again for watching. I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye!